guys, so here we are eating samgyeopsal. So I usually do this to my samgyeopsal kasi for me it is easier to eat because I won't be going to balot everything with the gulay. So here's what we have on our table. Side dishes pa lang yung mga yan. This is actually biglaan, so I don't have the time to fix my hair. Plus, I forgot to bring my hair tie. By the way, I love dipping everything with the cheese. It makes everything extra delicious. Here comes the fish cake. Now the pork. Yum. And of course, let us not forget the gulay. My family actually loves eating samji. This is actually maybe the third time this month. And the other ones, of course, I didn't film them because I only film spontaneously. But after this, we badly need to exercise. And just to share, I love iced tea so much. Potato marbles. And yeah, I dip my pork with the sauce of my potato marbles. Almost full na yung babae nyo dito, guys. Yan, sige, samol me. Kaya ka nagkakabilbil eh. Ayan na, busog na siya. This is now the next day and may pasok ako face to face. So this is my first day and sinimplihan ko lang yung outfit ko because I wanted to be comfortable. Ihahatid ako ng boyfriend kong si JB, so let's go! Alright, so nandito na ako sa school. This is my friend Eileen, and we will do a quick what's in my bag. So here's my anik-anik. I have lipstick, suklay, and alcohol. While Eileen has her melody stamp, and of course alcohol as well. Next, we will show you our tumbler. I brought this one kasi it's so maliit. We both have color pink. I'm shy to show this one kasi you will usually see this sa mga elementary students. But anyways, I love apple juice. Then Eileen has her tissue. And here comes my makeup bag. I have Vicks. She showed her pad. And of course, I also have one. And then her inhaler. Look how naughty she is. She showed her panty liner then oh. Next, we will show you our powder. We both have two. That guy on the right side is Ian. Sobrang nakaka-irritan, ang kulit-kulit. Moving on with my blush and my lip tint. And Eileen showed her lippies. Sobrang dami, kala mo ang daming labi oh. Next is our cologne. Nilagay ko yung sa akin sa ibang container para hindi ko nadalhin yung mas malaki. Then here's my hand cream. And yung maliit kong payong. Tapos ito naman yung mga notebook namin. We both have a notebook and a mini notebook. Sa mini notebook, doon namin sinusulat yung mga kailangan gawin. Tapos, meron pa pala akong lipstick dito. And then, of course, as a college student, kailangan natin ng yellow pad. Now, we will show our pens. This one is from Eileen. Meron kaming tatlo neto. Then, I have a highlighter. Ayan yung kay Ian, color blue. And then, yan yung highlighter ni Eileen. And I have stapler and that's the rest of my pencil case. Ayan. That's it for what's in our bag. We're on the way sa Alpha Mart para bumili ng snacks. And here we are. I am choosing between the spicy chicken flavor or the beef one. And of course, I chose my favorite, spicy chicken. This one pala is libre ni Ian, so thank you so much. we're back na sa school and i-drain na namin itong yakisoba. And tada! Let's eat, guys! Hinalo ko nga muna pala yung mga seasonings. This is our vacant time, and I am eating snacks again while enjoying my view. It's so mahangin sa labas, plus ang ganda ng view kasi nakikita ko yung Mount Arayat. It's already around 8 PM na and I'm going to eat my dinner dito sa 7-Eleven. And here I am with JB. Let's go eat na. This is now the next day of my class and I spontaneously recorded again. Kadating ko, ako pa lang yung nasa classroom. Nag-cellphone muna ako and nag-TikTok din. And this is now my lunch. Nagbaon ako ng San Marino and rice. After that, nagpahinga lang muna ako. And I didn't film the rest of my day. This is the night before Valentine's. Kumain kami sa Burger King. And we also had a coffee date. And now it's February 14. It's now Valentine's and meron kaming pasok. Pero kadating sa school, umuwi din kami kasi wala yung instructor. Hindi ko na video pero pumunta kami sa Galaxy para bumili ng pastries para sa aming mga Mother Earth. This is me just showing my online class. RIP sa laptop ko. Nagdala ako ng mga Graham bars para ibenta sa mga classmates ko. And I told you, mahilig kaming mag-samji. So I started this vlog na nagsa-samji kami and now, I will end this vlog na nagsa-samji kami. Pero this time, puro chicken lang yung kinain ko. Nagkaka-pimples na kasi ako malapit sa ilong because of fatty liver. So, umiwas muna ako sa pork. But of course, ididip pa rin natin yan sa cheese para masarap. So, I will end this vlog by giving my mother a gift. Because it's her birthday. So that's it, guys. Bye.